too much water in the front of it, making all kinds of noise. This is how I fixed it. It probably voided the warranty. Turn it off. Wait for the thing to quit spinning. It's too humid and the dew point's too high. Shove about 5 or 6 paper towels down in there with the weird spoon with the little pokey thing. Poke it all the way down. Don't tear the styrofoam with the spoon. Try to turn it on for a second. Don't do nothing. Don't do nothing. It tried to force the paper towel back up. Okay, it spun a little bit. That's good enough. Wait for it to quit spinning. Basically, quit spinning. Now know where this pokey thing is so you don't tear the inside of it. All you want is a paper towel bag, which is dirty as hell and soaking wet. The problem with this is the monkey trap hole made you wring part of it back out to get it out. Turn it back on. No more noise, at least for a while, until it gets full of water again because it's not installed right, level, etc., etc.